Hello, my name is Piyush and welcome to new video series. In this video series, we are going to discuss about Prometheus monitoring. So here is the quick overview what I am going to cover in this series. First, we will see why to use Prometheus or what are the use cases where we can plug Prometheus in our infrastructure. Then we will see how does Prometheus work or how is the architecture of a Prometheus. Then we will do some hands-on by exposing a matrix. First, using Spring Boot actuator. Next, using Spring Boot endpoint directly, meaning without using actuator. And the third one is using Prometheus library directly. Then we will see what are the different matrix types supported by Prometheus. And at last, we will configure a Prometheus server to pull from an expose matrix. And we will query using Grafana. So without wasting a time, let's start our first video where we are going to discuss why to use Prometheus. So see you there.